Hello, my name is Gutierrez.
And I'm Kaitlin.
We are going to present our final project this lovely morning, which is about the periodic table.
That's right.
Well, the periodic table consists of all known elements in their basic states. They are set up as rows and columns. Each row is called a period, and each column is called a group.
The elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number.
So Kaitlin, what are the specific names of these rows?
Well, the rows are divided into alkaline metals, alkaline earth metals, transition metals, noble gases, intertransition gases, and other metals.
Interesting. What else do you know?
I know that the elements are divided into 3 classes.
Oh, I remember that. Miss Lewis was telling us that in the beginning of the year, I believe, they are called metals, nonmetals, and metalloids.
You got that right again. Metals are on the left side of the metalloids. They're usually solid, shiny, good conductors, and lose electrons easily.
However, nonmetals are quite the opposite. They are brittle, poor conductors, and gain electrons. They are on the right side of the metalloids.
The elements in between metals and nonmetals are called metalloids, which have properties that are a cross between metals and nonmetals. They partially conduct electricity.
Wow, that's a lot of info right there, my friend. Well, you must know that in addition to the classes, you can also tell how many protons, neutrons, and electrons are in each element.
Oh really? How is that?
Protons, neutrons, and electrons are all subatomic particles within a nucleus. Protons have a positive charge, electrons have a negative charge, and neutrons have no charge.
Oh right, doesn't the atomic number tell the number of protons?
Yes, and it also tells the number of electrons because they are equal.
So then how can you find the number of neutrons?
Well, the mass number, which is the number under the symbol, shows the number of protons and neutrons together.
Oh, so you just subtract the atomic number from the mass number and it'll give you the number of neutrons?
Excellent! Do you know that there could be different forms of the same elements?
What do you mean?
Isotopes. Do you remember? They are atoms of the same element within the same number of protons, but with different numbers of protons? Oh no, neutrons. Neutrons!
Oh right! Did you know that you can also tell the number of valence electrons from looking at the periodic table?
What are valence electrons?
How can you remember? Valence electrons are the electrons in the highest occupied energy level.
Oh, I remember. But how can you determine that from the periodic table?
The number of valence electrons relates with the element's group number. For example, sodium, or Na, is in the first group, so it has 1 valence electron.
Wow, it's that easy? I mean, yeah, I might just become a chemist.
Girl, I know, right?
Kidding.
Oh, Alex, you're such a dork.
Thank you.